Kyle just made over $4,900 from his TikTok video in the past week. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can do the same without showing your face and without having millions of followers. Instead, we'll be using easy AI tools. First, let's break down how to make money from TikTok's affiliate shop. If you use TikTok at all, you've probably seen products being linked directly in videos or in creators' showcases. This is part of TikTok's growing e-commerce feature known as TikTok Shop. It lets creators promote and sell products directly on the platform. When someone clicks on a product in a video and buys it, the creator gets a commission. In simple terms, it's a way for creators to earn money by helping brands sell their products. Now, as an affiliate, your role is to promote products that are sold through TikTok Shop by making TikTok videos. Every time someone buys a product from your affiliate link, you earn a percentage of that sale. The best part is that you don't need to create your own products or handle shipping or customer service. You just focus on promoting the products, and TikTok takes care of the rest. Now, let's break down how to create TikTok videos using AI tools. Step 1. Find a high-selling product to promote on TikTok Shop. To make real money with affiliate links on TikTok, your choice of product is everything. Here's why. Promoting a trending in-demand product makes it way easier to get views and sales. But finding what's hot on TikTok Shop right now can feel tricky. You can use websites like Calodata to help. Calodata is a website that tracks popular products on TikTok, showing you exactly what's selling. First, head to the Calodata website and create a free account. You can use their 7-day free trial for your research. Once you're logged in, make sure to set your location to your main target audience, like the US if you're going for a US-based audience. Then, go to the Products section and filter by category if you have a niche in mind, like beauty or health. They have a bunch of useful information here, like which products are selling well, which creators are selling the most, how much revenue they're making, and conversion rates. Use all of this info to decide which products you want to promote. Calodata even shows you the top videos promoting the products. This is a shortcut to see what's working for other creators, so you don't waste time guessing. From what I've seen here, and from what I've also been seeing on my TikTok feed, I'm going to pick this vitamin D supplements product to promote for the sake of this tutorial. Step 2. Write your video script. Now that we've got our product, it's time to create a short, punchy video script. Don't worry if you're not good with words. We'll be using ChatGPT. Just head over to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this. ChatGPT will give you a script with lines you can use or adjust to make it feel more personal. Don't just copy-paste it, though. TikTok works best when your content feels authentic, so adjust a few lines to match your style. If you need more ideas, look at the top creators' videos on Calodata and note any phrases or ideas they use that seem to connect with viewers. Step 3. Find and create footage. Since this is a faceless method, we're using images and video clips instead of filming yourself. I recommend Pexels and Pixabay for general, copyright-free stock footage. And then there's Leonardo AI for custom images, and Snaptik for more specific clips. For Leonardo AI, just head over to their website. In Leonardo, you can create realistic images by typing in exactly what you need. Let's say, for example, that our script talks about how you can get more energy from the supplements. We can use an image of somebody looking tired and then looking energized. We can type in a prompt like this in Leonardo AI. Leonardo will generate multiple image options. Pick the one that looks best and download it. You'll want a few images that match different parts of your script. As well as these images, I recommend including footage of the product being used itself. Snaptik is a tool that lets you download TikTok videos. This is super helpful if you want B-roll, like shots of the actual supplements, that other creators have already filmed. On TikTok, search for videos of vitamin D supplements. Copy the link to a video that shows the product nicely. Then, go to Snaptik, paste the link, and download the video. When you're editing, only use short clips where people are just showing the product itself, not using their faces or words. You can zoom in on just the product and make sure everything else is cropped out if it's tricky to find videos of just the product and not the person. This will help you avoid copyright issues. Step 4. Generate a voiceover. Instead of recording your voice, we'll use AI to create a professional voiceover. ElevenLabs is perfect for this because it generates high-quality voiceovers that sound natural. Head to ElevenLabs and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, choose a voice that's clear and fits TikTok's tone. Adam is a popular one. Then, paste your script from ChatGPT into the text box. Click Generate Voice, and you'll get an audio file of your script that sounds like a real person. Download the audio file, and you're ready to move on to editing. Step 5. Edit your video. CapCut is a free app for editing videos that's super beginner-friendly. Download CapCut and set it up if you don't have it already. Open a new project, upload your voiceover file first, and then add the images and clips in order based on your script. To sync the visuals with the voiceover, adjust each clip's length by tapping on it and dragging the edge to match the timing of the voiceover. For example, if the voiceover says, "These supplements help you feel more energized," make sure the clip shows something relevant like somebody exercising, which you can find on Pexels. CapCut has a simple drag and drop editor, so arranging clips is easy. If you want, you can add transitions between clips, but keep it subtle. TikTok viewers prefer quick, smooth cuts without too much going on. Step 6. Add captions. A lot of people scroll TikTok with the sound off, so captions are important. Luckily, CapCut has an auto caption feature that does this for you. In CapCut, click on Text and select Auto Captions. The app will automatically generate captions from your voiceover. Make sure they're accurate, then customize them with colors or fonts to make them stand out. Clear, readable captions keep viewers engaged and make sure your message gets across, even if they're watching without sound. Step 7. Post on TikTok and add your affiliate link. Now that your video is ready, it's time to upload. Open TikTok, start a new post, and upload your edited video. In the caption, say something interesting like "These supplements have saved my life," and include hashtags like "TikTok made me buy this" and "vitamin D." If you're eligible to do TikTok affiliate marketing directly in-app, you can link the TikTok Shop product in your video. And if you're not eligible yet, don't worry. While you wait for your following and views to go up, you can sign up for other affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Do the same process with the videos, and put your affiliate link in your bio. Just make sure to tell people to click the link in your bio for them to get the product. Here's a quick recap of everything we've talked about. 1. Find a trending product on CaloData that's already selling. 2. Write a short script using ChatGPT and edit it to make it more human. 3. Find and create footage using Pexels, Leonardo AI, and Snaptic. 4. Generate a voiceover with ElevenLabs. 5. Put everything together in CapCut and add effects and captions. 7. Upload to TikTok and add a call to action so people click on your affiliate link. Start small, keep posting, and track what works so you can keep getting better. Which products are you thinking of promoting? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.